Alright, gonna show you how to put this thing together if you're having a hard time. Got an extra one in case one breaks. Just put it right here, squeeze right there. Slowly start to work it in and then push it in. It should go flush like that. Then just go around. Get every one, make sure it is firm, it goes all the way in. If it's kind of crooked like this, you can just put one of these in and push it. See how it evened it out? And again. Pretty easy. If they're all flush, it'll sit flat, and then you can peel off this tape, which was to make it easier for you. There you go.
Voila.